Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter in your Toyota RAV4, so check it out. Hey everyone, it's Ken from Northern Viking Everyday, and if you are new to this channel, make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. So today I'm going to be showing you how to change the air filter in your Toyota RAV4. Now this is the new 2019 Toyota RAV4. The process should be very similar or exactly the same in upcoming years, the 2020, 2021, 22, 23. So if you do get one of those models down the road, make sure you write in the comments section down below if the process is the same for you. I'm also going to leave some Amazon links down below in the description if you do want to pick up an air filter for yourself. This is going to save you a whole bunch of money over taking it to the dealership, and it's really easy to do. So let's get right into it.
So first off, go ahead and pop the hood and then head around to the front of the vehicle and open it up. From there, grab the hood rod and place it in its designated slot and make sure the hood's not going to fall and hit you on the head. So having a look under the hood, what we're looking for is the airbox, which is located over here on the right hand side of the vehicle towards the front. Now there's two snaps we're going to have to undo, one over here on the front and one over here on the side. And we can go ahead and pop those off. One and two. So let's go ahead and open up the housing. You're actually going to have to pull the whole top of it towards you about an inch, and then you can lift up the front and pull the air filter right out. So this air filter actually doesn't need to be replaced yet. This RAV4 only has about 750 miles on it, or 1,200 kilometers. So this one's in really good shape yet. But for the purposes of this video, I wanted to show you how to take the old one out and put one back in. So we'll put the same one right back into the vehicle. Before we put the air filter back in, I just want to show you why we had to slide the housing back about an inch to get the air filter out. There's these knobs and then these slots, and these knobs need to slide through those slots in order to keep the back of the housing secure. So make sure you put those back through the holes when you're putting this all back together. Let's go ahead and put the air filter back in the vehicle. Make sure that the long direction is going front to back, and you can lift up the front of the housing and slide the filter in. Make sure that the air filter's lip is sitting nice and flat on the housing and that it hasn't flopped down inside. Once that's all in place, make sure those back knobs slide through those holes, and then you can do up the snaps. There's the first one and the second one. Go ahead and safely shut the hood. It's that easy.
So I hope this video helped you out in changing the air filter in your Toyota RAV4. Don't forget there's some links below in the description if you want to pick up an air filter for yourself. Also, if you did like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to Northern Viking Everyday because I've got tons of videos coming up that I'd love to share with you. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.